We are excited. Saturday morning fabrics. Look and see what we've got. This is a beautiful, this is actually bordered. I'm hoping you can see this. It's a beautiful kind of a deep royal blue. It's embroidered all throughout. It's so pretty. It feels like 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it. It's a woven, but it's very, very nice. A great little summer blouse. This is kind of end of summer. And great transition. This is a Cavalli. We've had this before. It's a Cavalli classic. The word Cavalli is written on here. It is a stretch woven. It's 100% viscose. There's the word Cavalli right there. On all the reds, right in the corner of the red, it says Cavalli Classics. Anyway, beautiful piece of fabric. There's only a few yards left, is why this is up here. It's not much. But anyway, great little piece of fabric. I put in these coordinates because I thought they looked so great. This is a piece we got in late. It is 100% linen. It is white. It's beautiful. You can see if I put my hand behind it, it's a linen that you just can't see everything through, which is amazing. It is a woven. There's no stretch to it. Great summer jacket, great anything. Just a beautiful white linen. Now these are all $13.99. I don't know if I said that. This isn't ridiculous prices, but anyway, $13.99 is really great. This is a cotton poly. It's a stretch in both directions. This would be the cutest pair of leggings. You know how you have leggings that have a little texture to them? This would be adorable. Or even parts of leggings where you mixed it with a denim. I think would be just really, really cute. Or just a great top. Again, it has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Really, really fun piece of fabric. And, you can see the colors just go so well together. This is, we just have a little bit of this left. We did have this before. It's 100% viscose. It's a panel, the tie-dye. Again, just a fun piece of fabric to work with. So many things you could do with it. 100% viscose. They're stretched in both directions. This is great. Orangeade. It's the color. It's a sheer. It is a cotton poly. It's embroidered. So it's, embroidered all the way through. Again, expensive piece of fabric, $13.99. What a giveaway. All right, so the goal is, as you know, happy sewing. When we have great fabrics, we know we have happy sewing. Thanks.